Alright, so I have this phone. I have the JBL charger. It's plugged in. It's charging. Alright. Just unplug this. Plug it into the JBL. It's plugged in. Still plugged in there. Still plugged in. Right there too. So all the way in there. But right here, there should be lights on to say that it's charging. But there's no lights that are on. I press this, but there's nothing. Not even a sound. And these lights turn on. I've heard people say to hold these two buttons, the share and the volume up button. But nothing at all. When these lights turn on, this doesn't turn on. This cable works, that box works, this phone works, but this doesn't. Fell into the pool once. I got it out. This thing was closed. I was not using this at all. I wasn't charging my phone or nothing. And I take it out of the pool. It's still playing music when I take it out. And it just dies. So, you know, the next thing I do is I go inside and charge it. So I do that, but it does not turn on. I try to dry it off, and still nothing. I think I got a defective JBL. I've only had this for a year, and it's never happened. I take it to the shower. It's moist. It's a humid air. It's wet air, so and it doesn't turn on. I don't know if you guys know, but I honestly don't know. I'm just gonna send an email to JBL saying I got a defective model. Maybe it's the color that they didn't make so much of these, but yeah, what a bummer.